Good morning, children. Welcome to the virtual class. This is your library teacher, Miss Vaishali, to narrate a story. The title of our story is The Ant and the Grasshopper. One fine summer day, a happy-go-lucky grasshopper was hopping in a field. He was hopping from one field to another. He crossed the rivers and streams and met his friends. He flew across the mountains and sang merrily. He was enjoying the fine weather and singing loudly. Suddenly, he heard a huffing and puffing sound. So he stopped for a while and looked around. Looking ahead, he saw an ant carrying a big piece of corn over her head. She was walking with great effort. The corn piece that she was carrying was heavier than her. The grasshopper pitied her. While he was enjoying a fine weather, the ant was striving very hard. Curious as to why she was carrying such a heavy load, the grasshopper decided to approach the ant. The grasshopper called out, "Hey friend, what are you busy with? Where are you going?" By then, the ant had seen the grasshopper. The grasshopper asked her, "Why don't you come and sing with me instead of working so hard? Where are you off to with that heavy thing on your back?" The ant stopped in her way and looked at the grasshopper. She took a deep breath, keeping the heavy load aside, and she spoke to the grasshopper. The ant answered, "Hey grasshopper, I'm helping to lay up food for winter, so we don't have to worry about winter food. All my ant friends are busy now. Are you not preparing for winter?" "Why should we worry about winter?" said the grasshopper. "We have plenty of food now." Without giving a thought, he answered. Hearing this, the ant walked away and continued her work. The grasshopper too went back to his singing and dancing. Soon the winter came, and the grasshopper was in trouble. He kept searching for food everywhere. He had no food to eat and was dying of hunger. One day, wandering in search of food, the grasshopper reached the anthill. There he saw that the ants were enjoying a good dinner. He suddenly remembered the ants saying that they were storing food for winter and were working very hard so that they are not troubled later. The grasshopper's eyes filled with tears, and he realized his mistake. He understood that he should have worked hard and stored the food for the later days. Instead of whiling away his time in merrymaking, he should have foreseen the trouble and strived for it. With this, we come to the end of our story. The moral of our story is, it is best to prepare for the days of necessity. So remember, children, when we start studying for our exams, right from the beginning, we end up getting best results. I hope you all like the story very much. Thank you and have a very good day.